In this video, we're going to take a look at a word problem. So it's important to not be intimidated by a word problem. Don't let it scare you. It's actually very simple when you break down the words. So in this problem, it says, last week a hungry dog ate 6 kilograms of food. Its friend ate 5 kilograms of food. How many kilograms did the two dogs eat? And then the problem says, write an addition sentence that fits the story. So we know it's an addition because the first dog eats 6 kilograms. Then the next dog eats 5 kilograms. So if we add those two together, we will have the answer of 11. 11 kilograms is the total eaten by both dogs. And that's how you do an addition sentence. And don't worry if you don't get it right away. You could just rewind this and look it over again until it makes sense.